Hi there from Camp Found. Thank you so much for visiting our marketplace for summer camps, after school programs, tutoring services, or even party planning ideas. And today I'm going to show you how to sign up and create an account, as well as create a camp operator page. First, navigate to our website, www.campfound.com. And you'll see here in the upper right hand corner where you can log in. Just click log in, and you can either sign up with your Google account, Facebook, or log in with an email. I'm going to go ahead and log in, and you will be taken to this dashboard page, which we will go over in another video. To create your account and listings, first go to the account page and make sure everything is set up as you would like it. And I recommend going ahead and signing up for notifications, and that way you will receive all of the direct emails from parents, as well as notifications for new bookings. Then go ahead and navigate up here to the top right to the My Listings page. This page is where you will create your camp operator or business homepage, as well as link any listings or camp experiences. So go ahead and navigate to Camp Operator, and at the top you will see this button, Add New Camp Operator. Here you will kind of scroll through and fill out all the basic information about your actual business. This is not a specific camp listing, this is your business information. And if you ever have any questions or need more details, hover over the question marks on the page for instructions. So you want to enter your official company name. You want to give a quick overview or summary of your business. Choose the type of camps that you offer, camps or after-school programs, etc. Then you can give more details here. This is where you can talk about your mission, your goals, staff overview, the types of camps you offer, anything you want to add, you can add in here. You're founded. Testimonials, and this is if you have the permission to post testimonials that you may have received on your website or through other channels. Camp Found also offers a review system, but here you can post your own testimonials if you would like. Contact information, this would be the name of the person filling out this form or creating a Camp Found account, your email, your phone number, the website, your mailing or business address, the owner of the company, and the owner's email. You can also upload pictures for your camp, but make sure that you have permission or the legal rights to post the photos. And I highly recommend posting your company logo. Then you will hit save, or you can go ahead and link your listings to your camp. But I would recommend to hit save and continue. Then you can view your camp operator page to make sure it has all of the information that you would like. And I will go into how to create a listing on the next video. I'll go ahead and give you an example of some test operator pages that you can kind of see what I filled out. This is the back end version. So this is what it will look like after you filled it out. And you can see down here any listings or camp experiences, program experiences that you've linked to your operator page will be listed here. And I'll show you how it looks from the front end from a parent perspective. This right here is an example of a listing, And here is the camp operator or business page. And you just click on that. And this is what parents will see. You'll have your logo, the name of your camp business, basic overview, the types of camps that you offer, whatever you entered here for more details, any testimonials, as well as your location of your headquarters. Thanks so much for listening. Stay tuned for the next video of how to add listings to your operator page. Thanks so much.